Yellow. I've been seeing on TikTok this thing where people go for color walks. So you choose a color and it's supposed to motivate you to look for the color along your walk. And I'm trying to get fitter or fit. Maar yeah, so I thought this is a good way to motivate me. So the color I've chosen today is brown. And I've chosen brown because there's so much honde poef op die strate julle. I don't know why it never used to be like this. Like before COVID time, clean streets hier in Edinburgh. Yes, daar honde poef oral waar jy gaan. Ek was so skoon kyk vir die kamera want een oog op die pad, net nou trap ek in 'n drol en een oog op die kamera. En ek bly nie in 'n fancy area nie, so ek kan dit half en half verstaan, maar net so 2 strate van my af is dit 'n fancy area, maar al net sulke renoste berge vol kak op daai strate. Jy is nie bruin nie, jy is orange. Oh, jy is actually friendly. Anyways, dis al so erg nie. My neighbours het daai honde poef sakkies, daai goedjies op hulle hek gehang en hulle sê please take man, please use. Onkom kak op my sak. But anyways, let's go and find the actual color brown. Brown wall, brown fence, tree, bruin dak, bruin huis, brown something, brown bin, brown leaves, brown lamppost, brown box, brown door, drol. Nog 'n drol. Nog 'n drol. Anyways, that is my walk complete. Daarom nie te veel drol op die sypaadjie nie, né? I don't know if the dogs have like skaampoepel or something, but it's normally a lot more. So yeah, that's a good thing. Anyways, let me know what color I should do next. Okay, bye.